Welcome back to NetProfitNinja, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets to making money online and building a flexible, fulfilling career. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics of 2025, top entry-level remote jobs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to switch careers, these jobs are perfect for anyone with little to no experience. Let's get started. 1. Virtual Assistant. Virtual assistants, VAs, provide administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks include managing schedules, handling emails, and organizing documents. This role is ideal for individuals with strong organizational and communication skills. The average salary for a virtual assistant is around $24.40 per hour. To excel in this role, you'll need excellent time management, multitasking abilities, and proficiency in tools like Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. Many VAs start by offering their services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to build experience and a client base. Over time, virtual assistants can specialize in areas like social media management, bookkeeping, or executive support, increasing their earning potential and career growth opportunities. 2. Customer Service Representative. Customer service representatives assist customers with inquiries, complaints, and solutions via phone, email, or chat. This role is perfect for those with excellent communication and problem-solving skills. The average pay for this position is approximately $18.80 per hour. Key skills include empathy, active listening, and familiarity with customer relationship management, CRM, tools like Zendesk or Salesforce. Many companies, especially in e-commerce and tech, offer remote customer service roles, making it a great starting point for beginners. Additionally, this role often provides opportunities for advancement into supervisory or specialized customer support positions. 3. Social Media Manager. Social media managers create, post, and monitor content to engage audiences and grow followers. This role suits creative individuals with a knack for digital marketing. The average hourly rate for a social media manager is around $31.18. To succeed, you'll need skills in content creation, data analysis, and knowledge of platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Many small businesses and startups hire entry-level social media managers to handle their online presence, making it a great opportunity to build a portfolio. As you gain experience, you can expand your expertise into paid advertising, influencer collaborations, and brand strategy, opening doors to higher-paying roles. 4. Freelance Writer. Freelance writers produce articles, blogs, and web content for clients. This role is ideal for those with strong writing skills and a passion for storytelling. The average hourly rate for freelance writers is approximately $23.27. Key skills include research, grammar, and the ability to meet deadlines. Many writers start by contributing to blogs or content mills before securing higher-paying clients. Platforms like Medium and Substack also allow writers to monetize their work independently. Over time, freelance writers can specialize in niches like technical writing, copywriting, or content strategy, increasing their earning potential and establishing themselves as industry experts. 5. Data Entry Clerk. Data entry clerks input and organize data into systems. This role is perfect for detail-oriented individuals with fast typing skills. The average hourly rate for data entry clerks is around $19.47. Attention to detail, accuracy, and proficiency in spreadsheet software like Excel are essential for this role. Many industries, including healthcare, finance, and e-commerce, offer remote data entry positions, making it a versatile entry-level job. While the role may seem repetitive, it provides a solid foundation for transitioning into roles like data analysis, database management, or administrative support. 6. IT Support Specialist. IT support specialists troubleshoot technical issues and resolve hardware or software problems remotely. This role is ideal for tech-savvy individuals. The average hourly rate for IT support specialists is approximately $33.29. Basic IT knowledge, problem-solving skills, and strong communication are key to excelling in this role. Many companies provide training for entry-level IT support roles, making it accessible for those with limited experience. As you gain expertise, you can pursue certifications like CompTIA A+ or Cisco CCNA to advance into higher-paying IT roles such as network administration or cybersecurity. 7. Talent Acquisition Associate. Talent acquisition associates assist with candidate sourcing, screening, and interview coordination. This role suits individuals with strong interpersonal skills. The average hourly rate for this position is around $30.23. Key skills include communication, organization, and familiarity with recruiting tools like LinkedIn Recruiter or Greenhouse. Many companies hire entry-level talent acquisition associates to support their HR teams, offering a pathway into the human resources field. With experience, you can advance into roles like recruitment manager or HR business partner, focusing on strategic talent acquisition and employee engagement. 8. Proofreader. Proofreaders review and edit documents for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. This role is perfect for detail-oriented individuals with a strong command of language. The average hourly rate for proofreaders is approximately $27.65. Key skills include grammar knowledge, attention to detail, and familiarity with style guides like APA or Chicago Manual of Style. Many proofreaders work freelance, offering their services to authors, businesses, and students. Over time, proofreaders can transition into roles like copy editor or content manager, overseeing the quality and consistency of written materials. 9. Graphic design assistant. Graphic design assistants create visual content like social media posts and banners under the guidance of senior designers. This role suits creative individuals with basic design skills. The average hourly rate for graphic design assistants is around $19. Key skills include creativity, proficiency in design software like Adobe Creative Suite, and collaboration. Many designers start as assistants to build their portfolios and gain industry experience. As you develop your skills, you can specialize in areas like web design, branding, or motion graphics, increasing your earning potential and creative opportunities. 10. Sales assistant. Sales assistants support sales teams by organizing leads, contacting prospects, and updating CRM systems. This role is ideal for individuals with strong communication and organizational skills. The average hourly rate for sales assistants is approximately $21.20. Key skills include persuasion, CRM familiarity, and multitasking. Many companies offer remote sales assistant roles, providing a pathway into sales or account management careers. With experience, you can advance into roles like sales representative or account executive, focusing on closing deals and building client relationships. 11. Online tutor. Online tutors teach subjects or skills to students remotely. This role is perfect for individuals with expertise in a specific area and strong communication skills. The average hourly rate for online tutors ranges from $20 to $30. Key skills include subject knowledge, teaching ability, and familiarity with online tutoring platforms like Zoom or Tutor.com. Many tutors specialize in areas like math, science, or language learning, catering to students worldwide. 12. Content moderator. Content moderators review and monitor user-generated content on platforms to ensure it meets guidelines. This role suits individuals with strong judgment and attention to detail. The average hourly rate for content moderators ranges from $18 to $22. Key skills include analytical thinking, communication, and familiarity with platform policies. Many social media companies and online communities hire remote content moderators to maintain a safe and positive environment. 13. SEO specialist. SEO specialists optimize website content to improve search engine rankings. This role is ideal for individuals with analytical and technical skills. The average hourly rate for SEO specialists ranges from $25 to $35. Key skills include SEO knowledge, data analysis, and familiarity with tools like Google Analytics or SEMrush. Many businesses hire entry-level SEO specialists to enhance their online visibility, making it a growing field in digital marketing. 14. Transcriptionist. Transcriptionists convert audio recordings into written documents. This role is perfect for individuals with fast typing skills and attention to detail. The average hourly rate for transcriptionists ranges from $15 to $20. Key skills include typing speed, grammar, and familiarity with transcription software like Express Scribe. Many industries, including legal, medical, and media, offer remote transcription opportunities. 15. Digital marketing assistant. Digital marketing assistants support marketing campaigns by creating content, managing social media, and analyzing data. This role suits creative and analytical individuals. The average hourly rate for digital marketing assistants ranges from $20 to $25. Key skills include content creation, data analysis, and familiarity with marketing tools like HubSpot or MailChimp. Many companies hire entry-level digital marketing assistants to support their online marketing efforts. 16. UX/UI designer. UX/UI designers create user-friendly interfaces for websites and apps. This role is ideal for creative individuals with a passion for design. The average annual salary for UX/UI designers ranges from $75,000 to $75,000 to $95,000. Key skills include design software proficiency, user research, and collaboration. Many designers start with internships or freelance projects to build their portfolios and gain experience. 17. Project coordinator. Project coordinators assist in planning and executing projects, ensuring they stay on track. This role suits organized and detail-oriented individuals. The average annual salary for project coordinators ranges from $45,000 to $45,000 to $55,000. Key skills include organization, communication, and familiarity with project management tools like Trello or Asana. Many industries, including tech, construction, and healthcare, offer remote project coordination roles. 18. Technical writer. Technical writers create manuals, guides, and documentation for technical products. This role is perfect for individuals with strong writing and technical skills. The average annual salary for technical writers ranges from $50,000 to $50,000 to $75,000. Key skills include technical knowledge, writing ability, and attention to detail. Many technical writers start by creating documentation for open-source projects or interning at tech companies. 19. Financial analyst. Financial analysts research and model financial scenarios for businesses. This role suits individuals with strong analytical and mathematical skills. The average annual salary for financial analysts ranges from $70,000 to $70,000 to $95,000. Key skills include data analysis, financial modeling, and proficiency in Excel. Many entry-level financial analysts work remotely for consulting firms, banks, or corporations. 20. Web developer. Web developers design and maintain websites, ensuring they are functional and visually appealing. This role is ideal for individuals with coding and design skills. The average annual salary for web developers ranges from $85,000 to $85,000 to $100,000. Key skills include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and problem solving. Many web developers start by building personal projects or contributing to open-source platforms to showcase their skills. Landing an entry-level remote job requires a combination of preparation, persistence, and strategy. Start by building a strong resume that highlights transferable skills, volunteer work, and personal projects. Create a portfolio to showcase your work, even if it's from internships or freelance gigs. Leverage job boards like FlexJobs, LinkedIn, and Indeed to find remote opportunities. Networking is also crucial. Connect with professionals in your desired field through LinkedIn or virtual events. Finally, upskill by taking online courses to learn in-demand skills like SEO, coding, or digital marketing. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the top 20 entry-level remote jobs for 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to pivot into a new career, these opportunities are your stepping stones to a flexible, rewarding, and future-proof career. Remember, the key to success is taking action. Start building your skills, updating your resume, and applying to roles that excite you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways to make money online. Check out this video for the laziest way to make money online. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.